Outbrain Honest Review. Watch before using. Outbrain is a popular native advertising platform that powers recommendations for online content. It's designed for businesses looking to promote their brand or drive traffic by seamlessly integrating their ads into publisher sites. Outbrain has a huge network of top-tier publishers like CNN, BBC, and The Guardian, which means ads reach a massive audience. The platform offers advanced targeting options, including location, interests, and device type, allowing brands to get very specific with who sees their content. For advertisers, this can translate to better quality leads and higher engagement rates, since the ads don't look like traditional display ads, but instead appear as suggested articles or stories. Outbrain also uses a CPC, cost per click model, so you only pay when someone clicks your ad, making it a cost-effective choice for performance marketers. Outbrain's strength lies in its algorithm, which learns and adapts over time to improve ad placements and audience targeting. Their amplified dashboard allows for real-time campaign management, providing valuable insights like click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall campaign performance. This data is essential for optimizing campaigns and ensuring ad spend is directed where it's most effective. Outbrain also offers robust A/B testing features, so you can test different headlines, images, and ad copies to find the most effective combinations. It's a great option for brands focusing on content marketing, especially if you want your content to feel organic and less intrusive than traditional ads. However, Outbrain might not be ideal for everyone. Smaller businesses with limited budgets may find it challenging, as the costs can add up quickly, especially in competitive niches. Additionally, since Outbrain focuses on native ads, it's best suited for brands looking to drive engagement or brand awareness rather than direct sales, as conversions are often indirect. While Outbrain does a great job of attracting interested viewers, those looking for a high-intent audience ready to convert immediately might see better results with paid search or social media ads. In summary, Outbrain is a solid platform for businesses looking to reach a wide audience in a natural, non-intrusive way. It's powerful for storytelling and content promotion, but it's essential to have realistic goals and a clear content strategy to make the most of it. If you're prepared to invest time and resources into building engaging content, Outbrain could be a strong tool in your advertising arsenal.